So when you are browsing through internet and exploring the playlist, e-commerce or web application or website in internet, when you click in a sidebar or this navbar or header, when you click here in sidebar, let's click into beauty. It's showing beauty in bold and highlighted in active mode. When I click drugstore, it will show this as active one. When I click fashion, then it will click this one as active, as bold than other. Also same goes for sport and outdoors. So how to achieve that? How to set navbar active when selected. So this is a basic application I'm working on right at the moment. So here, when I click into user, this user should be active, and when I click to author should be active. For example, by clicking in user, it's not active. So how to fix that? Go to our sidebar.date. Here, use this code. That is navbar-item, this curly bracket, then request segment 1. Segment means this. After localhost 8000, this one URL, segment 1, 2. So here, we're checking. Let's check for a category. So here, we're checking nav item. If nav item has request segment, that is, this is a request, then 1, 2. This is, we are checking this value 1, 2. So go to our browser, Visual Code, then request, we're checking request segment, that is 2. If request segment 2 is category, then make nav link active. Same goes for author. Request segment 2. If it is author, then make nav link active. So by this, you can add here and you can achieve this. So let's see. Let's go to act category. When I click it, it's active. As you can see, it's active. So this is how we achieve active in sidebar or main navigation. So this is the way it works in like any e-commerce site like Flipkart or Amazon India or Amazon or AliExpress, anything. You can achieve this in Laravel.